Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A18 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's do it and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the history, and as you can see this is the list of all previously visited websites, so if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, if in your case this list is really long, then it is not really the best idea to do it manually. Simply tap on clear browsing data at the top, and here you can remove some, among others of course, browsing history, but also cached images and files and saved passwords. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from all time to last 7 days, last hour, or last 15 minutes. It's up to you. I will stick with all time. So let's tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, and that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.